Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can check your graphics card in Windows 11. I'm going to show you two methods. First off, you want to go to the search bar here and you want to go to settings. On settings, you want to go to system. On system, you want to go to display. On display, you want to scroll down and you want to go to advanced display. Now, you can see the graphics card is listed under there. Now, you can see right now, my graphics card is called Intel R UHD graphics, but something is not right because I have a dedicated graphics card, but it's not showing up here, right? So this method sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes it shows the integrated graphics card and not the dedicated graphics card. So the way we can check the dedicated graphics card, we want to go to the taskbar here, right click, and I want to go to Task Manager. On Task Manager, just maximize it, and then you want to go to these tabs. Now you can see on the GPU, there's two GPUs, right? Because I have an integrated one and I also have a dedicated one. You can see on GPU 0, it's my integrated one, which is the Intel R UHD graphics. But of course, I have a dedicated one as well called the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050. Now, so this is how you check your graphics card on your Windows 11 laptop and or PC. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.